Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Side. Today I'm gonna unbox and give away this Toshiba 64GB micro SD card. As you can see, so to participate in the giveaway, what you have to do is just simple. You have to subscribe to my channel Technical Side, and you have to just comment down below. The person with the best comment down below will win this Toshiba 64GB micro SD card. As you can see, this is the original Toshiba 64GB micro SD card, and this made in Taiwan, and you can see the warranty over here. So let's keep this on side and bring the review one. So this is the Toshiba 64GB micro SD card. This review one and the giveaway one looks the same because they are the original ones with this thing. You can see this is the hologram of the original Toshiba. So let's start unboxing. So here is, see, you have to cut it. So let me give you information about Toshiba company. As you all know, Toshiba is a company from Japan and has been manufacturing electronic goods like SD card, the one that I'm unboxing, and also some pen drives, also cake ovens and whatnot it manufactures. So this product is made in Taiwan. As you can see, this is the original one with as you can see, this is Shibura in Tokyo. This has been brought from Japan. So let's unbox it. So where is it? So this, yeah. So here, as you can see, comes the micro SD card itself. So, oh, it's got a stick over here. Just let's take this out. So this is the micro SD card itself. As you can see, it's Toshiba 64GB, and there are some details inside it. As you can see, yeah, there are some details. Let's keep this on side. What's about many countries where this product sold. Okay, like, oh yeah. So this is the card itself. So let's open it. So it has something over here, kind of seal. Let's break it. So, well, I've been using other SD cards also, like SanDisk and Samsung, but this is the first time I've been using this Toshiba SD card. So let me cut it. So the performance was also good, but when you are buying for an SD card of Kingston or I mean Samsung or SanDisk, please beware that many times fake SD cards come. So this is the SD card, as you can see. Yeah. So this is the Toshiba M203 64GB micro SD card. And some details at the back. Yeah. Let me show you. It's written over here some yeah, Taiwan manufactured. Okay. So this is the Toshiba 64GB micro SD card. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, please hit the like button, and of course do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Technical Side, and also comment down below to win this giveaway.